super excited to be releasing some Macquarie perch back into Mannus Creek. This is a creek and a population that was severely affected by the fire. We've released 2,500 Macquarie perch in here today, which have kindly been donated to New South Wales from Victorian Fisheries Authority. And this will bolster the numbers here in Mannus Creek and also bolster the genetic diversity and hopefully give this population a boost to help recover after the significant impacts from the fires.
Where do you get that fish?
Got it? That's a fish waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, watch out, it's moving, here, mate. Why don't put your hand in there, mate? Don't put your hand, we'll put them in the bucket now. Red rods, yeah. Look at them. In they go.
Yeah, I know.
See you guys.